did fast.
Yes. Okay, rolling on women talking shots and action. Before we proceed into the journey of seeing whether these our experiments work, we feel like it is necessary that we explain what our process is when we work with audio in our film. So like most film productions, typically we get dialogue and sometimes we record the room tones of wherever we are filming at. We also try to get sounds like wild tracks, which are basically recordings of our actors' movements for the film, instead of trying to do that all in post-production. And when it comes to music, we usually collaborate with our longtime friend and collaborator, Johannes Rido, who has made the music for most of our films. So now the thing is that today we want to throw everything that we have done in the past and actually create everything we hear by ourselves. Currently, here's the thing, so we shot film, we shot film. Like if film no gree film. The film was not working, so we had to reshoot like a large percentage of the film. But yeah, luckily at least the reshoot had some really good things and I feel like they would help to the production quality.
Today our camera department.
That's independent.
So today is the second day of the shoot and today we are trying to get shots from Banshees of Inishery. So now we're just waiting for the transportation to come so that we can go. We just finished packing. So yeah, I think that's what we're waiting for. Transportation. Thank you for coming.
What can you use for the foley of gun?
On my phone.
Develop the music and the entire counts that would influence the log credits for the film. But now we are going to watch the UEFA semi-champions semi-final. Real Madrid lost woefully and 4-0. 4-0, bro. 4-0. The film that we chose for this experiment of making music originally is a collection of scenes from films that were nominated at the 95th Oscar ceremony for Best Picture. And one of those films is a film called Everything Everywhere All at Once. And we are choosing to actually recreate the musical sequence from a particular track created by the composer Son Lux called In Another Life. Right? But now, in our particular sequence of this film, at a certain point, Godwin, who is Elvis, performs the track Unchained Melody. So what that means is that we would have to transit from In Another Life to a musical track that can aid Godwin's performance as Elvis. And from our calculations, we are realizing that we would have to create about 3 minutes of music track for this particular project. And we are not so sure if it is going to work out. But yeah, let's see. Here's what is happening. We are trying to record some guitar sound for the Elvis part of the ballad. And yeah, calling Jubeski. I'm calling Jubeski. Let's hear what Jubeski has to say. Hey Jubeski. Yeah. So I want us to do something cool this morning. Yeah, something that has to involve vocals. So you will be here in like 30 minutes. So I need to think. Anyhow, we just worked with like the best of the best, Jubeski. And he just gave us the vocals.
So yeah.
Let's go!
Even John Bellion no do reach this one. We're on our way to go and look for more sound so that we can run even more. In other words, we're on our way to go and see proper shiggy. Hold on. No be meat, Abisa is meat.
Mild. M-I-L-D.
It's meat, M-I-D, M-I-D. So, it has not been easy. I can never ever in my life pray to fall under the sound of that. We just finished recording all the sound. Oh no, not all the sound, all the one.
I am in a big problem, ba. So all the sound that these men of God, my sound recordist, recorded, turns out to be censored, and we have to record everything again. So, yeah.
Action.
Timeline for the entire film. I think that the scene with the most sound design work is the Everything Everywhere All at Once sequence, and I put so much inside that one, but I feel like the mixing is a bit off now that I've added a million times. But I'm like, oh, I've learned from it, so let me just really move on. At the beginning of this video, we started with a question asking, were we successful? There's a video on our YouTube channel right now that answers that question. But I think that most importantly, making this experiment was very worthwhile and a great learning experience. At least it's good that we have finally made something and I've left that footprint on the internet. And we honestly hope that you enjoy watching this video as much as we enjoyed creating it, really. So yeah, thank you for watching and for really sticking to the end. It's very much appreciated. The plan is to post videos every Friday now, and we're trying to stick with that, so expect something on a Friday. So yeah, bye.